you certainly cannot be serious about that.
What, that I think that we should?
That was certainly the impression I got.
Oh, no, I don't think that. I just think they're going to, for exactly what I said. I asked the question. I didn't make a statement. I asked the question. Have we reached the point where we have to have the government take... They're doing with everything else. They're going to pick which companies are successful. They're going to bail out the homeowners. Why not take the guns away from people? Because obviously we can't handle it.
Well, first of all, it'd be a very difficult task, and also if we honor any part of our Constitution, it's provided for in the Constitution that we have that right. And that's,
I know it says all that in the Constitution, but so what?
Yeah, it's been ruled on in the Heller decision. Also, you're going to have an awful lot of backhoes and metal detectors to find them, because I know people will not turn them in.
So what? See, you think that I'm an advocate of gun control, and I'm absolutely not. In fact, I don't think there should be any gun laws. You didn't listen to what I said. I asked a question. The question I asked is, usually you would say, we should never take the guns away from people.